Find the area of a square whose side is 12 centimeters. Remember that a square has all its sides equal. So the side is 12 centimeters, and the formula is A is equal to S times S, or we can use S squared. So let's substitute. A is equal to 12 centimeters times 12 centimeters. So the answer is 144 square centimeters. So remember the formula, A is equal to S times S, or S squared. Find the area of a triangle whose base is 6 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. Let's draw the triangle. The base is the horizontal part of a triangle. This is the base, and the height is the line perpendicular to the base. So this is the height. The base is 6 centimeters and the height is 9 centimeters. The formula in finding the area of a triangle is A is equal to base times height divided by 2. So our base is 6 centimeters times the height, which is 9 centimeters, divided by 2. So 6 times 9 is 54 square centimeters divided by 2. 54 divided by 2, that is 27 square centimeters. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 8 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. Let's locate the length and width. The length is the horizontal part. So this is 8 centimeters. So remember, the horizontal part is called the length. And the vertical part, this is the width, which is 4 centimeters. The formula in finding the area of a rectangle is A is equal to L times W, wherein L is the length and W is the width. Let's substitute. The length is 8 centimeters times the width, which is 4 centimeters. So 8 times 4 is 32 square centimeters.